Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about due diligence and how it's often confused. My name's John Penkwer and I am an active property investor and a portfolio landlord, but I'm probably better known for the work that I do researching the property market and understanding property market data. Now, a lot of people talk about due diligence as if it's just this paperwork exercise that they've got to do, or something that they will fill out on a spreadsheet, something they'll do because they've been trained it on a course. Now, that's not good enough today. Doing true due diligence, first of all, do you know whether or not the area in which you're investing is a high growth or a low growth area at the moment? Because there'll be all over the UK in specific areas. There'll be some areas that are growing very quickly, some areas that are not. Normally very close to one another as well, and I do a lot of talks on that. So if you want to find out more about that, check out our blogs, check out the stuff that we post. But not only is that part of due diligence, but also the range of values. A lot of people like to buy properties, add value to them, and then perhaps refinance or sell them on. So that's that gap between something that needs work and something that doesn't need work anymore, something that is roughly an average or above average property. That gap varies dramatically all over the UK in different locations. In some areas, you can almost double the value of a property by spending just 10% of its value. In other areas, you can add 15% of value by spending 15% of its value. You don't get any return on your investment. People blindly try and work out. In fact, they apply like a scattergun approach, trying to find these deals in areas where they just don't work. I just find it odd. Why don't we just do a bit of due diligence? Now, you can go and do your statistics and do you crunch your numbers, do your mathematics and try and work that out manually everywhere, or you can go and ask someone's opinion. If you think an estate agent is, or all estate agents are going to be qualified in doing that type of analysis, you're going to be sorely disappointed. But some people do that, they go and ask. If you think that works, you don't need to watch this video any longer. What you do need to do, just remind ourselves of what we are. We are property businesses. We are CEOs of professional property businesses. We spend thousands of pounds training ourselves, tens of hours educating ourselves. We need to behave like CEOs. We act on the facts, we act on the evidence, and we act on the data. And we do our due diligence using the data. Most, if not all, of the property industry prior to Ultimate Property Dashboard used to use the land registry sold prices, and in fact a lot of institutions still do use that. That's great, yeah, let them carry on. Don't just follow the crowd, be different. In today's market, what's critical is understanding the change in the shape of that market going forward. Look forward, not backwards. Know where the market is going, know where the highest growth is going to be, know where the best returns on investments or yields are going to be. Understand that in all of your target areas, and then automate your search so that you only find the properties that match your criteria. And then you can sit back and you can relax and you can do what you should be doing and what all of us should be doing, which is spending less time working on our business, working in our business, and more time working on our business. Develop your strategy, develop your network, and develop your skills. So if that sounds of interest to you, you've got to check out Ultimate Property Dashboard. It is the only piece of software out there that can deliver all of the things that I've just mentioned and help you with your due diligence. Google it, or you can click on a link attached to this video and you'll be able to access it straight away and see exactly what I'm talking about. Thanks for listening.